Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the Gravy Guy. Get ready, Taco Tuesday will never be the same. Why, you ask? Because I'm going to show you how to make the world's fastest fish taco sauce. And that's not all, it happens to be delicious. See the description section below for a list of all of the ingredients used in this recipe. Round up a mixing bowl, it's fairly fast, you don't have to cook anything, which is always a plus. Drop in half of a cup or 125 grams of sour cream. Next up to bat, a third of a cup of mayonnaise, 83 milliliters. This recipe also happens to be in the Sauce and Gravy channel cookbook, Sauces Made Simply. I'll put links to the cookbook in the description section as well as on the Sauce and Gravy channel website. Snag 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of chopped cilantro, and you can add more if you like. Pour in 2 tablespoons, that's 30 milliliters, of lime juice. Hang in there, you're nearly done. Drop in 1 teaspoon of Sriracha, or the hot sauce of your choice. Give it a quick mix, taste it, and adjust the seasoning if necessary. And that's it. Only thing left to do, throw it on your fish tacos and enjoy. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Are you into sauces and gravies? Well then hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the all notification bell so that you can stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce and gravy making tips and techniques. Thanks again. Remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.